So we now have the full release of KODI 21 on your devices. So KODI 21 is fully released now and official. What we're going to do, we're going to run you through installing it, whether on a Fire TV or an Android TV. I will talk you through all of it, like NVIDIA Shields, anything like that. Plus at the end, I'm going to show you how you can get some great official add-ons really easily as well, straightforward. First things first, though, drop me in the comments, are you a KODI user or did you used to be a KODI user? Let's remember KODI is a media player. It's nothing illegal about KODI, it's a media player. Okay, so what you're going to do, on your device, whether it's a Firestick or an Android TV device, go to the store. Okay, so once you're in your store, your app store, for me, obviously here we can go to search and you're going to search Downloader. So D-O-W-N, you're going to click Downloader, and then you're going to install this application, okay? Install this application. Once it's installed, do not open it yet. What you're going to do, you're going to get to your settings, whether on Android TV or not. You don't need to worry about this step too much on Android TV because it will prompt you to do it as you go through. But on the Fire Stick, you're going to go down to My Fire TV. You're going to go to Developer Options. If you do not have Developer Options on your device, what you need to do is go to About and then click on this area, Fire TV Stick 4K Max or whatever the name of your device is 7 times. Okay, and it will open up those developer options for you. If you struggle with that, I will link a video underneath this video which shows you step by step on how to open these developer options. Once here, you're going to go into developer options, you're going to ADB debugging, you're going to turn on. Install unknown apps, you're going to turn it on for downloader, okay? Brilliant. Once that's turned on, we're back up to the normal step now. So whichever device you're on, whichever device, you're going to find your downloader apps. Whether it's on your screen, you can see it. If not, go to your app section, wherever all your apps are. On a Fire Stick, it's the 3 squares and the plus. You're going to go to My Apps, and then you will find the downloader app in here. Once you find it, mine's at the top, you're going to click it, you're going to open it. When your downloader app opens, it's really important you accept the permissions. The permissions are what allows you to download. So if you ever get an error saying can't connect, can't do this, can't do that, that's because you've missed one of the steps I've just told you. So accept that permission. Then in this URL or search term, you're either going to type 75726 or docsquiffy.com/downloads. Both of them are linked underneath for you. You can even test it on your mobile phone first. And once you've got it in, you're going to hit go. Brilliant. Now, while that's loading, this is a prime time for you to drop me your thoughts underneath. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Follow the channel. We've got tons of videos for you all across the channel. We're also on all other socials like TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and all those sort of things. So we're about. Okay, once this page loads, you're going to scroll down. And currently, this application is under the new updates and new APKs. We've got KODI 21 32-bit and KODI 21 64-bit. If it is not showing there, go a little bit further to media players and you'll see the 2 KODI 21s, okay? So for Fire Sticks, I'd recommend the KODI 21. For Android TV, majority of Android TV, you'll probably still use the 32-bit one. If you're on a NVIDIA Shield or a high-end Android TV device, you can use the 64-bit one, okay? So what you do, you just click on where the name is. Let me get there. There we go. Click on KODI 21. If an advert pops up, obviously, that's all thanks to Google. We just close that. And what you do then is just scroll down to the big download button. Nice and easy. Download button. And that will download for us onto our device. It's that simple. If you get a prompt up saying you haven't allowed from unknown sources, just follow the steps to do that. But while this is going, we're going to click install. And it's done. Then we're going to click done and we're going to delete this file. It's quite important to delete the file because then it doesn't take up all your storage. Okay, brilliant. So that's now installed for us on our device. Mine's on my home screen there. Again, if you can't find yours, go to your app section, My Apps, and you will find it in here somewhere, okay? And another application, when you open it, it's clearing your cache first run. Please wait, KODI, and what you'll see is it's KODI 21. There it is. KODI 21 Omega, and it's loading up for us, and it's done. So what you get now is a base KODI. KODI is a media player where you can play your media. You can run your whole operating system off it if you wanted to. You can put your own files in it. You can put your own films in it, your own movie in it. You can put add-ons in it. You can even access your applications from it. Everything like that, all in here, okay? You can get to your app store. You can see all the add-ons we've already got. So these are Android apps which are on your device. You'll be able to see all your Android apps, and you can open them from here as well if you want to. All in here, okay? Nice and easy. But if you actually wanted some more add-ons, so if you click on add-ons, you can then go down to download. And then in here, if you keep going down, you'll find video add-ons. And in video add-ons, there's actually tons of official add-ons in here. Whether they're TV channels, whether they're different sort of ones in here. So you'll see a few. There's cooking channels, there's Crackle, Sony Crackle, or used to be Sony Crackle. Great add-on for movies and TV shows. There's a Formula 1 one, there's Fox News. Loads in here. And all you have to do, you can click on those and install them. You know, it's really easy. I'll show you quickly with, let's go back to Crackle. Be a nice easy one to install. So if you click on it, then you have the install option. We click OK, and that will install for us now. And that's installing. Remember, this video isn't showing you how to get unofficial apps. It's not showing you how to get free movies or TV shows which aren't allowed to have. This is just a nice install guide for you. So then you can obviously look in your Crackle. And then here you have movies and TV shows. So there we go, movies. And it's the same as the app, but there's tons of stuff in here. Really easy to use without having to worry about all the adverts, everything like that. And you've got all your films in here for you as well. Okay, nice and easy, nice and simple. And that is KODI 21 for you. Obviously, if you are streaming online, I would recommend using a VPN or something like this. I'll show you that in a second. But just to confirm, if YouTube are watching or anything like that, KODI is an official app. It's an official media player with 50 million plus downloads in the official Google Play Store, which is owned by YouTube as well, the Play Store. Well, not owned by YouTube, but you know what I mean. Same companies, same parent companies. Official application. There's nothing wrong with downloading it, but do be careful how you use it and what you use it for. And again, if you're worried about any of your privacy online, if you're installing applications or add-ons or anything you do online, whether it's on Android TV, whether it's on Firesticks, mobile phones, streaming devices, even your Windows PC, would recommend using a VPN. We've got a great price currently on IPVanish VPN. I will link directly underneath for you. What is it at the moment? $2.75. So you can't really argue with that price. It's a cracker. So hit that thumbs up, hit that share, drop me your thoughts underneath, hit subscribe, check out our other videos, and I'll see you soon.